Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Midnight Walkers game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, launching, flagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your. I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it. Click on properties. Then click on general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still occurs, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow Midnight Walkers through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, go to the browse section, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Now here you have to select the game application and double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, run the game as administrator. For that, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to play it and see if this resolves the problem. But if the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you are suggested to disable it and then launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay option from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution or other things, then it directly impacts the game and this can make you or the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and then you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. If not, next method is to move game to the SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to move the game to SSD and then try to launch the game. You can check your game whether it is installed in SSD or not, but just go to Steam, click on settings. Now click on storage and here you can see the game list. If it's not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to simply select it and then move the game to SSD, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Midnight Walkers game. For that, go to Steam, select the game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the Midnight Walkers game, and after that click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the Midnight Walkers game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, showing black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.